Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. This is April. In today's video, I'm doing a rose gold set. It's a mix that I made myself and then some that I've picked up along the way. And of course, my Kiarasky monomer and Kiarasky Nude and white. And yeah, I hope you. So right here, I'm going in with white, and I'm gonna fully cover this nail in white. I'm using that white as a base for one of the chrome powders that I'm going to use. And I plan on using two different chrome powders. One of them is like a rose gold. The other one is a mermaid effect. Next, I'm going to go in on my ring finger, and I'm going to bring that down a little bit, and then I'm going to put a layer of glitter the rest of the way. But I will wait for this to dry, and then I'll try to clean up that U a little bit. As you see me there, just patting and kind of trying to shape it out real good. I'm gonna fully cover my my middle finger, uh, with this color, because I'm going to put chrome on this nail as well. I think that the outcome was pretty. It gave me a lot more practice on some other aspects, my filing and my powder to ratio, and though I've been doing it for a while, each brand is different and they work differently. But I enjoy using it. My pointer finger, I plan on doing an ombre. And here you see me just putting the bottom color and smoothing that out. And then I will go in with some white at the top to go ahead and give it that ombre effect. I think for it being, fresh go, I was pretty pleased. Sometimes I can ombre, sometimes I can't. with my thumb. I plan on, fully covering that, and then um, kind of ombreing some glitter over top of it. I haven't decided which one of my um, fingers is my favorite yet. So I really like the thumb, but I'm enjoying the ring finger as well. I haven't decided. But here I am, yeah. Just patting, patting, patting. Getting any spots that I've missed. And then I'm going to go in with some clear and a little dab of the mixture that I made, and then a little dab of the more chunkier, and just kind of ombreing that down. I was going to leave it right there, and then I was just enjoying myself, so, I just kept dabbing and bringing it down and dabbing and bringing it down. And I just thought it was so pretty. Here I am literally doing the same steps, getting a little bit of the clear Mia Secret and some of the glitter mix and the chunkies, and patting it, bringing it down, patting it, bringing it down, because I want to keep it even, because later on I have to cap it, and I want it to be kind of smooth. Well, obviously not kind of, but smooth. Yeah. When I first started, doing nails, I was so intrigued by everything. I would make my own glitters, make my own pigments. Just I was trying to do everything at once, and I had to slow myself down and focus on powder to ratio, filing, uh, building the nail. But I still like to go back and use some of the mixes that I've made, and this is one here. Here I am capping everything off with some Mia Secret, um, and I did all of that off camera, and I'm cleaning it with some alcohol, and trying to get a better view. Putting on some top coat right here. Sorry, I lost focus. I kept bumping the camera, but here's the mermaid. It is gorgeous. Chrome powder. And I went ahead and, rubbed that in real good. I used the Beetles. And I have another one that I use. I just can't think of the name right off the top. It's a new one to me. It's really good too. It's been in my other videos. And then after rubbing it in real good, and dusting it off, I went ahead and top coated that. And then I'm going to go in on my middle finger and basically repeat, but I'm going to be using this gorgeous rose gold chrome powder, which we'll see here in a momentarily. Just making sure I get it fully covered so I don't miss anything with the chrome. This is really pretty. It's a rose gold. I picked it up at the local. Here's the name of it, but I picked it up at my local beauty supply. But I'm just going to go in with this and do the same thing, rub it in really well. I think it is just gorgeous. I think it's the camera does it no justice. It's a lot prettier in person. But yeah, just rubbing that in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and top coat everything real good. And then, I'm sorry I got out of frame, but I will add a gem to my pointer finger. And this is what that looks like top coated, the rose gold one. Like I said, I don't think the camera does it any justice, to be honest. But here I am just in, popping that gem on there. I don't, know about anybody else, but, this beetle glue works pretty well for me. And here I am, making sure everything's nice and top coated, getting around the gem and so forth. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave me a comment down below and like this video, and don't forget to share. I appreciate your support.